What's up guys, welcome to SuperWowStyle. This is Prachi and in today's video we're going to talk about pigmentation, dark spots, uneven skin tone and things like that. Not just for your face but also the rest of your body because dark knees, uneven skin tone on legs, dark elbows even I used to have. Do you see? The pigmentation is actually reduced quite a bit. It's getting more evened out with time. So starting with the first point, which is wear a sunscreen. Now I know this sounds like an extremely cliched line. You're probably tired of beauty bloggers telling you to wear sunscreen, but guys, get this. Sun damage can cause irreversible damage on your skin. Damage that you will carry with yourself to the rest of your life. Now when I say sun damage, I don't mean tanning, I don't mean brown skin. I think brown skin, golden skin is beautiful, but the uneven tanning and excess sun damage, basically it can also make your skin age faster. It can lead to more pigmentation. And when you're taking a shower, please make sure that you shower in room temperature water, not too hot, not too cold. Personally, I'm someone who loves to shower or sit in a bathtub with hot scaling hot water, but it's horrible for your skin. It can make your skin superbly dry, which can actually lead to more skin issues. We'll talk about that more in detail later in the video. And if you're someone who swims a lot, please make sure that before you go for swimming, just apply some kind of an oil to prevent excessive exposure to chlorine water of your skin, at least on a direct basis. So the water that you're exposing your skin to is also a very important concern. And since we're talking about showering and all of that, let me tell you guys, try to use a kojic acid based soap. Why kojic acid? Kojic acid is basically absolutely fabulous, guys, for dealing with pigmentation, uneven skin tone, dark spots and things like that. Kojic acid can also help in dealing with aging issues on your skin. Okay, so I recently came across, actually not very recently, I came across this product a couple of months back, which is the Kojic acid plus glutathione daily synthete soap. It's designed for skin lightening and brightening, and it's from the brand the Derma Co. So you just use it as a regular soap on an everyday basis, and honestly guys, see, it's a soap, okay? So obviously you'll not see a difference instantly, but with regular use you will start seeing a difference. Like I haven't been using anything else on my hands, on my skin, on my hands or anything. This has all happened because of the Kojic acid soap. Of course you have to use it on a regular basis to see a difference, but you will see a difference. One more thing I like about this soap is that because it contains the right ingredients, it also helps in preventing moisture loss on your skin. So you have to use it regularly, but you will see a difference. It gives you a more even skin tone. Like, do you see the skin tone on my hands, guys? It's so even skin tone, and the pigmentation is reduced, so it's a win-win, right? For your face, you can take it one step ahead and you can start using Kojic acid based serums. So again, from the same brand, the Derma Co, I have with me 2% Kojic acid face serum designed specifically for dark spots and pigmentation. The formula is very, very lightweight, and you can actually use it twice a day, morning and evening. A serum especially, I think, works really well because number one, you're probably already using a serum in your skincare routine, right? And number two, because it's a serum, it actually stays on your skin, it stays on your face. So in the long term, you get more amplified, much better results. Both of these products are from the same brand, the Derma Co. I love this brand, guys, because first of all, it's a brand designed by dermatologists, and all the new products by the Derma Co are actually fragrance free. So I think that's like such a win-win for your skin, right? What I'll do is I will put the link for both of these products, the serum as well as the soap, in the description box below. You can check them out. They are available on Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart, but if you buy directly from the official website, thedermaco.com, you can use the code SWS2022 for flat 20% off. Apart from getting flat 20% off on your purchases when you buy directly from the dermaco.com, they will also link your order to a child that they're helping educate through Bhumi. So they have taken up something called the Young Scientists Initiative, where they have pledged and they are aiming to help 10,000 plus students across the year. So I think that's like such a great thing, right? Such a great cause to be a part of. Remember in the beginning of the video, I said we'll talk about skin dryness and its impact on the skin. So guys, here's what happens, okay? When your skin is dehydrated or dry or both, generally both of these happen together, especially again during the winter season, it's very, very common. So when your skin is dehydrated and dry, it's not able to repair or heal itself. It stresses your skin out when it's fighting with the dryness. You will see your skin starts looking different, right? It starts looking dull, it starts looking blah. What is the reason behind it? It's because your skin is not able to heal and repair itself and take care of itself. I always say this, guys, on my channel, that you have to trust your body's natural healing mechanism. So for hydration, I love using products with hyaluronic acid. You can do that options, and then of course, we have so many amazing products these days. I keep reviewing some of my favorite discoveries all the time on my channel, so you can actually go back. I will put some links in the description box below. If you're looking for new body lotions or face creams and things like that, you might be able to find something on my channel as well. And last but not the least, guys, this is extremely important. So vitamin C is an antioxidant that actually helps in targeting this oxidization process and slowing it down. down, maybe in some small ways even reversing it. So vitamin C related foods, when you're consuming it, when you're eating the right foods, it will actually help your skin heal itself internally. See, getting rid of pigmentation, dark spots, uneven skin tone, I agree, for a major part of it, it's an external thing, okay? But a lot of it is also internal. So you can pick and choose what food items you like, right? Citrusy fruits like oranges, mosami, these are like really nice. Lime, lemon, so you can have lime, lemon in your regular food items. You can just squeeze a little bit of that. I love having amla juice. So almost every day, I have like one shot of amla juice every day. So these are things that you can actually do to increase your vitamin C intake. Vitamin C is very, very crucial. Otherwise, also it's very beneficial for your health in dealing with, making your body more immune and things like that. You can speak to your doctor if you want to understand this better, but vitamin C is a good thing to have in your food, in your regular food routine, okay? So yes guys, that's all I wanted to share in today's video. If you want to add anything more to this list, please share your comments in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you all. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to SuperWowStyle for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.